Right, morning boys and girls. This is a short video. It's taken me quite a long time to plan, and it's not been very productive, but I've got the side panel on the side where the units and everything are going to be going. It's not a permanent fixture as yet, because when I know exactly where my wiring for my sink is going to go, this panel here, this top panel will just be removed and the wiring will fit behind it, and I'll be able to plan out where my waste pipe is going to run off, and obviously I've got to drill a hole for my gas locker drop vent. But what I thought I'd just show you what we've done so far. The bottom half, where you can see that panel's in two halves, the bottom half of that is going to be carpeted in the grey, in the barley carpet, so that interior and the wheel arch, so that when you open a cupboard, you're going to see a nice clean finish inside. It's not just going to be open and raw like some of them you see. Now, down this post here, this end panel here is going to be obviously finished off with the furniture ply. Down this side it's going to have an end panel, a shaped end panel, and this particular part of the doorpost, that's going to be carpeted again with the barley carpet, which is when I start to carpet the bottom of that. The reason I'm not going to do the top, because I've got two choices on here. One of them, I don't know whether it's going to come off yet. It's going to be quite a good finish that I've just got to think about, because it's quite an expensive part. But if I can't do plan A, then it'll be done with plan B, which will be some mosaic tiles. But plan A is the one I'm opting for, but it is quite an expensive part to do, so I'm going to think about it carefully before I spend the money. The fridge is cut out. That's a replica of the fridge. That's the Dometic fridge. It's quite an expensive item. I think it was about £600 plus the converter that runs it off the mains ACD. I've got the converter as well, which was another 75 or 80 quid, I can't remember now. But that's located inside that door recess there, and I've done it so that I can actually keep the furniture flush. I've got a centre line, and I've got a line where I want my furniture to come up to. And I noticed on some of the builds the fridge does actually stick out a little bit, but my fridge, I want it incorporated in, so I've got a smooth finish all the way down the van. So the worktop will obviously extend right down there. That door's not going to be used. And I've also cut out a recess there where I'm going to put the 12-volt battery, and the split charge unit's going to go in there. I've just got to modify that yet. So that's where we've got to so far. It's took a long time to think about how I was going to do it, and I've had to do a couple of battens up the top. Again, similar sort of thing to the side. I put a batten along there to screw this to. I didn't want to recess all this out behind here. I just wanted a smooth, clean finish. So there's no cutouts or anything. It's just straight down. It's got a bit of a bevel on it there, but that'll be. I've got plenty of room for the work surface. So that's where we are so far. Tomorrow I'll get that little bit carpeted, and I'll get some wiring planned for the wiring installed, so that I can fit it behind there when I've measured up where my sink and everything's going to go. So I've got plenty of space there. It's just how I'm going to route it and everything before I design any units and things. So that's what we've got to so far. So I hope you're still finding them interesting. I've got a little light there as an optional. If I want to use it, I can do. So that's where we've got to. If you're liking them, just give us a thumbs up. That's all I want. I'm not bothered about anything else. But hopefully you're finding them interesting and not too boring. So that's where we are so far. Thank you.